Right, Green Group. So today we're going to, if you've got some Lego blocks, or maybe Mom can cut up some different color papers or something that you've got different shapes or sizes. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to sort them into colors. Okay, so we're going to put them and separate them and sort them into groups. So I've got my yellow group, put all my yellow ones here. Now I can't counters at school, so anything that you can use as counters. I've got some red, got a lot of green and yellow, and I've got a few blues. I've got all the yellows this side. So you can see that we have separated them, and spend some time separating them into the right color or the right size if you're going to use it that. And we're going to put some aside, and I've got a lot of yellow. So I'm going to use my yellow Lego blocks to do some counting. So what I first want you to do is I want you to put 5 yellow counters down. 5 yellow counters. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember to start and use your left side, so your left hand. So where your writing hand is, you need to start on the other side. Mrs. Cox is doing it this way so that when you're looking at it, you can see it on your left hand side. Okay, so on your left hand side. So remember, start and work from left to right. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What happens if I put another 5 counters to that? Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So if I separate them a little bit so they've got spaces in between, so that when I count them, I can count them. Now remember, when we're counting, we want to touch each one as we say the number, so that we don't count too fast or too slow and miss a number. So we've put 5 blocks down and we put another 5 together. So how many do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right, we've got 10 counters. So if I took another 10, let's add another 10. Wow, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you counting with me? 8, 9, 10. There we go. So we've got 10 and we added another 10. So let's count them. Remember, slowly touch each one as you count, and let's see how many we have together. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. So we've got 20. So Mom and Dad can take from the 20 and hide some away. And then let's see how many are left. I don't have to tell you, but I want you to practice counting with your finger on each number to make sure we're counting the correct number and we're not missing or going too fast. Okay, so you can practice playing that with Mom at home or with Dad. The next thing you can do is I want us to make a pattern, 2-color pattern to start with. So I think because we've got a lot of yellow and green over here, I'm going to do a 2-color pattern. So I'm going to do 1 yellow, 1 green, 1 yellow, 1 green. Can you see? Yellow and green, yellow and green. So what comes next? That's right, yellow, yellow, and then yellow and green, yellow and green, yellow and... That's right, green comes next. So there we go. Let's keep going with our pattern. Yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. So whatever color you've started with, I want you to continue your pattern all by yourself. You can tell Mom and Dad, and you can put your counters and your colors next to each other to keep going. So if I kept going, I would put yellow, green, yellow, green. Let's see how many you can do in your 2-color pattern. When you've done that and you're happy, we're going to make 3-color patterns. I know that you can do it. Right, so because I have got some red, I'm going to use red, green, and yellow. So I'm going to use 3 different colors for my pattern. And I'm going to start again with my yellow. So let's start with our yellow. And I'm going to go yellow, green, and red. Yellow, green, and red. So then I want to start that pattern again. Yellow, green, and red. Can you see the pattern again? Yellow, green, and red. And then I'm starting it again. Yellow, green, and red. So there's 3 different colors and it's continuing the pattern. So then I'm going yellow, green, red, yellow, green, red. And I need to start it again. So I start with the yellow. That's right. What comes next? What comes after the yellow? Green. That's right. You can always check in the beginning if we forget. What comes after the green? Red. That's right. And then I'm going to start my pattern again. So if you go yellow, green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green, red, then I want you to continue the pattern with mom and dad with your color counters and see if you can carry on the pattern for about maybe 20 or 25 different colors for the pattern. So I want you to carry on and see and tell me what comes next. Right. Have lots of fun.